In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube channel art on Visme. Your channel banner is the billboard for your brand, so we'll keep things simple and professional while making sure it looks great on any device. First, search for YouTube channel art. From your Visme workspace, go to the Templates section and use the search bar to type YouTube channel art. This pulls up ready-made layouts that are already sized for YouTube banners, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Keep in mind that YouTube shows a smaller, safe area in the center on phones and tablets. As you design, plan to keep your most important text and images in that middle strip so nothing gets cut off. For reference, on a full banner size of about 2560 by 1440 pixels, the central safe area is roughly 1546 by 423 pixels, and that's where your title should live. Next, select the template you want. Browse the styles and look for a design that matches your channel's tone: bold and energetic for gaming, clean and minimal for tutorials, vibrant for lifestyle content. Preview a few options and notice where the title sits, how much space there is for a tagline, and whether there's room for a photo or pattern. Choose a layout that lets your message breathe with clear, readable text. Now, edit the text, images, and colors to fit your channel branding. Double-click any headline to change the title of your channel and adjust the font to something legible at small sizes. Increase contrast between text and background for clarity. Swap out images by uploading your own or by choosing stock photos inside Visme. Then crop or reposition so the focal point stays in the safe area. Update colors to match your palette. If you have brand hex codes, paste them in for accuracy. Use alignment guides to center key elements and keep margins consistent. Aim for a simple hierarchy, one clear headline, and if you use a subtitle, keep it shorter and lighter in weight. Stick to 1 or 2 fonts and 3 to 4 colors to maintain consistency with your brand. Finally, add icons, shapes, or graphics from the Assets panel. Open the panel to browse icons for topics you cover, subtle shapes to frame text, or decorative elements that add personality. Use simple lines or geometric shapes to create dividers, and consider small social media icons as visual hints rather than clutter. Keep scale and spacing consistent, and limit effects like shadows so the banner feels polished and modern. That's it. Search, select, customize, and enhance. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll have channel art that clearly communicates who you are and looks great everywhere.